Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And welcome back to your weekly devotional for day 38. Okay, so we're using The Grace and Gratitude by Shannon Noel. I used this book. I have another one. That's another 100 day that I'll be doing after this. So I'm just going to read this and the prayer, and everything else will be added in the what they call it in the video. Okay, let's see. Day 38 is God's purpose for you. Inhaling a deep breath after a fresh spring air, listening to morning birds bursting forth in praise, being still and relishing quiet time with God. All of these experiences bring moments of delight in the Lord as you spend more time in His creation, in His Word, in prayer. He plants seeds of desire for His purposes for you. As you give Him more heart, give Him your heart, He sings back to yours, calling you to fulfill the exact purpose He's created for you. It will be more than you could ever imagine. You are a masterpiece in the making. The prayer is, Our Father, I love being in your presence and soaking in the peace and love you have for me. I want what you want for me, because I know it's the very best. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So please be kind, be blessed, be positive, be well, and I will see y'all next week for week 39. Bye-bye for now.